Hey, what's up everybody, Rico here. Let's talk about Bitcoin, because it seems like everyone else is these days. And for good reason. Bitcoin has been absolutely exploding in popularity lately, and with it, more and more people are looking to get in on the action. The thing is, if you're brand new to Bitcoin, it can seem incredibly complex and confusing. What is this? Internet money? Everyone is talking about. And how do you even buy it? Trust me, I was in your shoes once. Completely lost and overwhelmed. But the truth is, getting started with Bitcoin is actually a lot easier than you might think. In this video, I'm going to break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps, so you can start investing in Bitcoin with confidence. We'll cover everything from understanding what Bitcoin is, to choosing the right exchange, and making your first purchase. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start your Bitcoin journey. Let's do this. Okay, so before we dive into the how-to, let's take a step back and talk about what Bitcoin actually is. In the simplest terms, Bitcoin is a digital currency, which means it exists only online. There's no physical coin like a dollar or a euro. Think of it like digital gold, but instead of being a physical thing you hold in your hand, it lives on a massive, decentralized network of computers all over the world. This network is called a blockchain, and it acts as a public ledger tracking every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. And because it's decentralized, it means no single entity controls it. Not a government, not a bank, nobody. And that's one of the things that makes Bitcoin so revolutionary. It puts the power back in the hands of the people. But what makes Bitcoin valuable? Well, just like gold or any other scarce asset, its value comes from supply and demand. There's a limited supply of Bitcoin that will ever exist, only 21 million to be exact, and as more people demand it, its price goes up. Plus, Bitcoin offers a level of privacy and security that traditional financial systems just can't match. Transactions are anonymous and virtually impossible to counterfeit thanks to the power of the blockchain. Additionally, new Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems. As Bitcoin continues to gain global adoption, its influence and importance in the financial world are only expected to grow. Now, before you jump headfirst into the world of Bitcoin, it's crucial to remember that all investments carry risk. This is especially true for cryptocurrencies, which can be highly unpredictable. And Bitcoin, with its price volatility, is no exception. Its value can swing dramatically in a short period. That's why it's super important to do your research and stay informed. Knowledge is your best tool in navigating this complex market. Don't just blindly follow what you see on social media or listen to what some random person on YouTube tells you. Yes, even me. Always verify the information from multiple sources. I'm giving you the steps and the tools, but it's up to you to stay informed and make responsible decisions. Take notes, compare different viewpoints, and form your own understanding. Start by reading up on the basics of Bitcoin. Familiarize yourself with its history, how it works, and why it was created. There are tons of great resources available online, from beginner-friendly articles to in-depth guides. Take advantage of these to build a solid foundation. Understand the technology behind it, the risks involved, and the potential rewards. Blockchain technology is the backbone of Bitcoin, and knowing how it works is crucial. Keep up with the latest news and trends in the crypto space. The market is always evolving, and staying updated can give you an edge. Follow reputable crypto news websites, subscribe to industry newsletters, and listen to podcasts from experts you trust. These sources can provide valuable insights and updates. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market. Knowledge reduces uncertainty and helps you make better decisions. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Financial safety should always be your top priority. Bitcoin can be incredibly volatile, and while it has the potential for huge returns, it also comes with the possibility of significant losses. Be prepared for both outcomes. Start small, learn as you go, and only invest what you're comfortable potentially losing. This approach will help you manage risk while gaining experience. Alright, ready to get hands-on? Let's dive into the world of Bitcoin wallets. The first thing you'll need to do is set up a Bitcoin wallet. This is an essential step in managing your cryptocurrency. Think of your wallet as your digital piggy bank where you'll store your Bitcoin. It's a secure place to keep your digital assets. There are a bunch of different wallets to choose from, each with its own pros and cons. It's important to pick one that suits your needs. Two popular options are software wallets and hardware wallets. Each has its unique features and benefits. Software wallets are apps that you download to your phone or computer, making them very convenient and accessible. While hardware wallets are physical devices that offer an extra layer of security. They are ideal for long-term storage. For beginners, I usually recommend starting with a reputable software wallet like Coinbase Wallet, Blockchain.com Wallet, or Exodus. These are well known and trusted in the community. They're user-friendly, secure, and a great way to dip your toes into the Bitcoin pool. You'll find them easy to navigate. Setting up a software wallet is super easy. It only takes a few minutes. Just download the app, create an account, and follow the instructions. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. The most important thing is to write down your seed phrase, a series of 12 random words, and store it somewhere safe. This is crucial for your wallet's security. This phrase is like your master key to your wallet, ensuring you can always access your funds. So if you ever lose your phone or forget your password, you can use it to recover your funds. Always keep it in a secure place. Once you've got your wallet set up, it's time to choose a reliable exchange where you can buy Bitcoin. Exchanges are basically online marketplaces where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Just like with wallets, there are tons of different exchanges out there, so it's important to do your research and choose one that's reputable, secure, and has the features you're looking for. Some popular and trusted exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. They offer a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, have high trading volumes, and employ robust security measures. When choosing an exchange, consider factors like fees, security, available cryptocurrencies, payment methods, and customer support. Read reviews, compare different platforms, and choose one that you feel comfortable using. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal information and uploading a photo ID. It might seem like a hassle, but it's an essential step to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your funds. Alright, we're in the home stretch. You've got your wallet, you've chosen an exchange, and now it's time to make your first Bitcoin purchase. The process is pretty straightforward. Just link your bank account or credit card to your exchange account, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and click Buy. Depending on the exchange and your payment method, it might take a few minutes or a few days for your Bitcoin to appear in your wallet, but once it's there, congratulations, you're officially a Bitcoin owner. Now remember what we talked about earlier? Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your research before making any investment decisions. Bitcoin can be volatile, so be prepared for potential ups and downs. But most importantly, don't be afraid to get started. The world of Bitcoin can seem intimidating at first, but once you take that first step, you'll realize it's not as complicated as you thought. So there you have it, those are the easy steps to get started investing in Bitcoin. It might seem like a lot to take in, but I promise you it's easier than you think. Just remember to take your time, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The world of Bitcoin is constantly evolving, so stay informed, stay curious, and never stop learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on Bitcoin and personal finance, and leave a comment below with any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.